All right, Mike. Peter here. I know you've been waiting a while for these pipes. They're finally finished. This isn't exactly like a studio, I know, but hopefully you can see. I put this little muffler on these two race pipes, and then this pipe put on the muffler that can use your, a can that uses your stock insert that you sent with the pipes. And the dents are out, as you can see. Let me see. I may need some light. I don't know why it's not lighting up. All right. Well, hopefully you can see this. Anyway, the ones with the small mufflers I think will make nice race pipes. And there's the hanger that we made, or I made for that. It's not perfect, but the pipe's pretty good. Cracks are fixed. Seams are put back together. Let's see. This is the middle pipe with the can, with the stock core. This is actually a pretty nice pipe. Unfortunately, this other pipe had some stick welding in it and a little bit of braze somebody had put in the head pipe. So it's a good race pipe, but it's not perfect. It has some flaws. Once you paint it, I think it'll be all right. You know, it'll look okay on a race bike, but I wouldn't put it on anything I was trying to restore. I think that middle pipe with the stock can is the best choice for a restoration bike. So anyway, that's it, and I have to get them boxed up, and you'll be getting them in a couple of days. All right, talk to you soon.